Hey there, it's Ryan from Carbon Web. Today I'll be running you through the DashBoards app, showing you how to set it up and use it. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have the DashBoards app installed, and to do so you just need to navigate to the app's marketplace, search DashBoards, and you can install it that way. I'm not going to do it since I already have it installed. So next we need to add our carousel. To do that, we will click the blue plus up here, add a new item. We will go down to apps, and then from here we will see dashboard carousel. If you have a lot of apps inside your system, you may need to use a little scroll feature here to find it. So I will select the carousel. Now we can name our carousel. Then we can create it. Awesome. So now we can go to the settings and we will have to paste our links. It is the little gear icon up here. So the first box we see is the interval box. This is how long between the dashboard switches. So if we look down here, if we put 5 seconds, it would take 5 seconds to go to the next one. Notification display time. This is how long your notification will stay up on your screen. Both these boxes are in seconds, and you can see that by hovering over the information box right here. So I'm going to set my interval to 10 seconds. Oops. Notification can stay as 5. And then now we will add our dashboards. So I will go to my board where my dashboards are. And you can use any shareable or embeddable link. So I'm going to grab the shareable link. And now we'll go grab the other two. Awesome. So if you want to display more than 3 dashboards, you will use the additional dashboards box down here, and you will follow the outline like how it is. So you will just paste a link, a comma, no space, and then you will paste your next link, and I will do that right now. And you can just keep going like that. I'm going to remove these since we already have these boards added. So once you have your intervals set and your links set, we can close the settings page, and then if we go down here we will see the start button has turned blue and we are good to start. So we will click this, and now we will see that it will start rotating. Awesome. Something important to know here is you must be tabbed into the app, and to ensure that you are tabbed in here, I like to click into the white box down here just to make sure. So now I will show you how to set up your triggers. So I will go back to my board. We will go to integrate, search dashboards, and then we will want to use the integration when status changes to something, send sound notification to carousel. We will click add the board. You will need to authorize the use of dashboards. So now we can choose our status. So when status changes to done, we want to send the party horn sound and say task has been completed. And then here is where we want to grab the carousel board ID. So to do so, I should have grabbed this first, but I'm going to click out of here, go back to our carousel, and at the top here, we will grab the number at the end of the URL, copy that, and we can go back to our integration. When status changes, click authorize. So when status changes to done, we want to send the party horn and say task is done. And then here is where we will paste our board ID. And then we can click add the board. And I'll do one more. So if you want to have a custom trigger, you can do so by using an automation block. So if we click in the automate and we click create custom, we can do when status changes, and if you wanted to add anything else, so if you wanted another status, and then we can search carousel. Actually, dashboards might be better. Yep. I'm going to change this to stuck, and then we will do a error warning and say task is stuck, and then we can paste this board view. So now you can see we have a custom automation that will trigger a sound and notification for that carousel. So we can create this. So now I'll flip the status to done, and we will see the notification and sound come through on our carousel. Awesome. As you can see, we see the notification and the sound has come through. That is it with the Dashboards app. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for any additional videos we may release in the future. Bye.